Hi folks, welcome back. Welcome back from me and Simba. Let me say hello. Right, let's have a wee look at this. A wee quick inspection of the petrol tank. I'm just a wee quick look at it, see what we're going to do with it. See the outer surface is not too bad. A few bits of surface rust, so we're getting rubbed back and painted, I think. So just knock the locking ring off the sender. See what this is like. Let's see, it was working fine, so shouldn't be any problems here. This is surprisingly good condition, actually. Quite good, Nick. Even the float's quite clean. We dry off and we'll give it a proper clean up at a later date before we put it back together again. Give it all a good clean, a good soak, and we replace the washer. It's a wee bit pitted. Right, let's have a wee look inside the tank. And it's not looking too clever. Grab the camera and see if I can let you have a wee look inside this. You can see pretty crud up in there. I need to be looking at some sort of a cleaning operation before that gets back in. So, back to that, give it a little torch off. Hit the keys, petrol cap. And stick it in the bucket. Let's see what comes out. What we rattle about. Ooh. Should have been in a steel band. Bit of rhythm there. But I mean, that's just a quick shake. That's not even using any cleaning agents or any detergents or anything. That's just as it was. A rattle about. That's just the dry stuff that's coming out. There's all sorts of stuff in here. What is that off, I wonder? It's a rubber washer. We'll give it a clean up later and have a better look. A bit of plastic. That's an old locking petrol cap. It's obviously snapped off. But as you can see, the paintwork on it's a powder coat, whatever it is. A couple of bits flaking off, but all in all it's in not bad nick. So yeah, and we'll give it a rub off and strip it off and get it back to bare metal again and take the crud off it. Give it an H prime and put a 2K black. But definitely going to need to look at some sort of a cleaning operation for the inside of the tank. Just stick a wee bit of wire up the pickup pipe, see what that's like. And that seems reasonably clear, so I can see the strainer inside the tank. There's no crud in the strainer, so obviously the strainer done its job. But as I was saying, I'm going to need to look into some sort of a cleaning operation. I've been looking at a few videos and stuff today on electrolysis, whatever way you want to, and that looks interesting. If anybody's got any other ideas of methods of cleaning in the inside of the tank, give us a shout in the comments. Petrol cap itself's okay, just could do a new washer. Other than that, quite pleased. So I think what I'll do is I'll make up some sort of a blanking cap so that I can leave the sender out. Put the locking ring back on. Maybe use the washer and a piece of plastic or something over the top of the hole. Then I can lock the overflow in the fuel pickup. Fill it with some sort of a cleaning agent. As I say, do the electrolysis, whatever, and give it a right good clean out inside before we start looking at painting it. Anyway, just a wee quickie, just to like to have a wee look at what was what. So back to my brew. Hope you enjoyed the wee video, and if you did, don't forget, give us a like and a subscribe. That's about it, folks. Take care and stay safe out there. Catch you later. Ta-ra.